Alma Duo. This is our pelvic anti-aging machine. It is a machine that we use for both men and women. Alma Duo is not painful, by the way, guys. It's completely pain-free. So that's one other thing that I want to mention. And you do need like recurrent treatments. It's like giving a deep, targeted, and it's an ultrasound wave, that energy that goes into the area and basically enhances the tissue. They're also testing it for different other parts of the body now to generate nerve cells also, and also they're trying to test it for the heart. However, those are right now off-label uses. But for the pelvic anti-aging, it is now FDA cleared for both men and women. It also has like a cheap-ass Chinese version that you can do at home. Now, the thing is that when you do it at home, your entire neighborhood can hear when you are building your pelvic anti-aging stories. However, when you do it at our office, it takes like 15 to 20 minutes, and it will actually help you not require oral medications for the rest of your existence. Before you come wanting to try this out, what we do ask you to do is to go see your urologist if you're a man, or your GYN OB if you're a female, and get clearance, because you do need to get an ultrasound, you do need to get a pap smear if you're a female before we bring you in for these treatments, because we need to make sure that you do not have any cancer growing anywhere in your pelvic area before you treat yourself with this. Because what ends up happening is that this thing is going to increase blood flow in that area and create new blood vessels in the area, so your body's not going to age in that area. And so as it does, you don't want it to increase blood flow to a cancer cell. Got it? So that's why it's super important for you to make sure you do your clearances correctly. Now, the other thing that we also do is vitamin infusion, which is specifically curated for our pelvic anti-aging. Now, what I add into it, I don't want to disclose it like that, because I do offer those recipes to people who are willing to learn. That is a separate lecture in itself, and if you're wanting to learn that, I will be super happy to train you. You'll have to register for my classes. However, just know that when you combine these treatments with an infusion, it takes your pelvic health and anti-aging to a different level.